Assalamu alaikum. In this channel, I will share my journey of learning Arabic. My Arabic knowledge is very basic. If you know basic Arabic reading, you can follow along with me. Mostly, I will learn vocabulary with simple sentences. And because Arabic is a logical language, I will also learn grammar and morphology to speed up my learning. I will start by learning Quranic vocabulary, then some MSA vocabulary, and eventually some dialects. Language is all about practice, and it will be a long journey. I hope I can continue, inshallah. I will use AI and various resources to help me along the way. So, this is my first video, and let's get started. Now we will learn this vocabulary. Here we can see both singular and plural. These are common in the Quran. So first one is abun or abaun, father. I think when we speak, we don't need to elongate it like abaun. We just can say abaun, I believe so. Ummun, ummahatun, mother. Jauzun, azwajun, spouse. Rajulun, rijalun, man. Imratun, nisaun, woman. Waladun, awladun, boy or child. Bintun, binatun, girl, daughters. Zurriyatun, offspring. Ibnun, abnaun, banuna, son or child. Akhun, ikhwanun, ikhwatun, brother. Ukhtun, akhawatun, sister. Tanzilun, revelation. Sodrun, sudurun, chest. Famun, afwahun, mouth. Lisanun, alsinatun, tongue, language. Binaun, bunyanun, abniyatun, building or structure. Wajhun, ujuhun, face. Qalbun, ulubun, heart. Fuadun, afidatun, heart, intellect. Warakatun, awraqun, paper or leaf. Baitun, buyutun, house. Babun, abwabun, door. Gurfatun, gurafun, gurufatun, room. Qalamun, aklamun, pen. Kitabun, kutubun, book. Hayatun, life. Ma'un, water. Kalimatun, kalimatun. This one, matun. Okay, word. Riyatun, puro, sound. The last looks like iya. It is called alif maksura, but it will pronounce like an alif like elongate. Wariyatun, puro, sound. Makanun, amakinu, place. So I will learn this vocabulary in my free time. I have my notebook and some sticky notes. I will write things down if I forgot. And I will also try to learn some basic phrases whenever I can. So time to time I will share my update with you. Now let's see some example how we can use AI to make some simple sentences from these words. So by creating sentences, we can remember the meaning. Normally our brain isn't that good at remembering random words, but if we put this word into some simple sentences, we might remember better. I know some basic words already. I'm learning vocabulary. Help me remember word room in Arabic using basic sentences. Something like that. We can swap with any word. Zoom it a bit. The Arabic word for room commonly used in Quranic and everyday context. So al-ghurfati or al-ghurfa, feminine noun referring to an enclosed space like a chamber or bedroom. Okay, the sentences are ghurfati sagiratul lakinna murihatun jiddan. My room is small but very comfortable. I guess later when we learn some grammar and pronouns, I think we'll know why this ghurfati is my room. Here we can see some sentences. Ghurfati sagiratu lakinnaha murihatu jiddan. My room is small but very comfortable. So we can say like my ghurfa is small but very comfortable. And by making sentences, you can also learn some other words. I can say break down the sentence word by word with meaning. And that way we can learn some additional words, I guess, like ghurfati, my room. T means possessive. T, ghurfa. Sagiratun, small. Lakinna means but. you can see the breakdown. Jiddan means very. So when you make simple sentences, you can also learn some additional vocabularies. So I'm just starting to learn Arabic. I have some basic prior knowledge and I will improve my learning system wherever possible, and I will share it with you. So learn lots of vocabularies, write them down, practice whenever you can. Within a sentence which you can speak, just change some of the words with Arabic and maybe learn this way. And I have to practice more and more. So yeah, I will come up with new videos. And if you find some words hard to remember or you can't really remember the meaning, or temporarily you can create a mnemonic storytelling system, create a weird story into your mind. So with that word, I think you will remember better. Suppose famun is mouth, so you can think like a story, like a bird is flying on the sky and yelling like famun, 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 something like that. And if you visualize this, you will remember better, something like this. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.